Good morning, Chip Wade here. We just finished filming a live morning show segment. We talked about progress on the Pinhoti Peak new build I'm doing. We discussed the RTA cabinet store. We're using these cabinets inside the build for a couple of reasons. They're really high quality. We can assemble them ourselves right on site, and they're super easy to assemble. You can see they come flat packed in boxes like this. This 30-inch cabinet behind me all fits in an easily shippable package. We can organize our stuff. Now, don't let the fact that you have to put these together distract you at all. Luckily, RTA has partnered with BILT. This is an interactive and animated and narrated installation manual that allows the assembly process to be seamless. Look at this. You can rotate around, you can zoom in and do step-by-step instructions, which makes it so simple and gives you the confidence that it's going to be put together correctly. Now, RTA cabinets are also incredibly high quality. You can see these drawers put together with all blind dovetails. All of the construction is solid plywood, and there's even soft close mechanisms on all the doors and the drawers. These things are so nice. Now, RTA Cabinet Store also has a quick ship program. What that means is on 8 different colors, you can order them and they will ship from the factory in just 3 days, which is crazy. This is going to revolutionize the way that you can order cabinets, receive them, assemble them, and install them faster, likely, than even getting a contractor to come look at your house. You can check this all out at rtacabinetstore.com.